say something?
You say something.
I didn't say anything.
Alright. I gotta record this. Ooh, bro.
You should wait till I'm done so I can get in the video with you just for fun.
Oh, okay.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Tommy's channel. I'm Haley and I'm here with, obviously, Tommy.
Yeah, the guy.
And what are we gonna do today?
Alright, today, since we reached 100 subscribers, I asked y'all to reach 100 subscribers before the month ended. Y'all broke it. Y'all broke the time zone. Like,
They failed.
no, they passed.
They passed?
They passed.
Y'all did it?
Oh my god, they did it in like not even 2 days, Haley. Not even 2 days.
Damn!
Alright, thank you so much though. Anyways, this is a special episode for a 100 subscriber.
And we are going to give out 100 hamburgers to 100 random people as a way to give back to our community. So let's get started.
Let me tell them something before this video starts, okay? I gotta tell them, before this video starts, this is not for views or fame or popularity, any of that. I don't wanna do this for fame. I just wanna give back to the community. That's it.
And I wanna help out.
Yeah. We're about to order a 100 cheeseburger from McDonald's, give it to the homeless. Cause why not? It's a Sunday, it's a blessed day, it's a day of God. Preach it. Alright, that's it. Braids, show my braids, look at it. Look good, huh? Can I have a 100 cheeseburger?
Just a regular cheeseburger?
Yeah. I want
Meal?
No, 100 cheeseburger.
100? Oh my. Oh.
Yeah.
I was like, wait. Are you for real? Like, you pay for it? Yeah, we have to get a manager. 100?
Yeah.
It's 100 or 820. Oh my god. Okay, what's your promo?
Alright, hold on, cover up my card thing. Y'all see that? Y'all can see, we just bought 100 cheeseburger. We gotta come back in like 30 minutes though. It's gonna take longer than 30 minutes, I hope.
It's gonna take like an hour.
It's gonna take like an hour to get that 100 cheeseburger. But this is proof.
You should have saw their faces. They were like, wait.
They were like, what? Like, yeah.
We ruined their day.
She's like, are you famous or something? I'm like, nah, I'm just giving back to the homeless.
We had to shut down the school. Yes, they're really bad.
They shut down the school, my bad. Yeah, it's heavy.
I'm on Snapchat, guys, at Meg.ishius.
Alright, thank you.
And I hope you're feeding the homeless because you
Yeah,
wasted all of your time.
Alright, thank you. Okay, alright, let's put it in the car.
They had to shut it down.
Yo, they really shut down the store.
Not really.
Yeah, 4 bags, cheeseburgers.
Can I see that?
Yo, they shut down McDonald's just because we ordered 100 cheeseburger. That's awful. That is actually awful. You know they don't get busy if it's like that.
They don't.
Right now we're on our way to find some homeless people.
Feed the homeless.
Yeah, let's get this video started. We only have about 25 burgers left. We're at our last location right now. I don't know where we are, but let's hope this goes well. All right, as you guys can see, there's many people over here, over there. We're just gonna get out cheeseburgers right now. You have a blessed day. Yes, sir.
Okay, so we just got back from giving out 100 cheeseburgers to the homeless.
Yeah.
We met a lot of cool people along the way.
Very, very nice people. I gave a lady a hug.
Yeah, they were all very appreciative of everything that we gave them.
How was it? How was it for you?
Felt nice.
Doesn't she look good, guys? She got all dressed up for him. Look at that. It's 6:42 right now. We just got finished giving out the cheeseburgers. I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Add me at Haley_M_134 on Instagram.
Underscore, them underscores though. Go on
and add me on Snapchat at Haley.m0723.
I'll leave all her social media down in the description. Stay tuned for the next video. I hope you guys did enjoy this. Don't forget to subscribe, smash the hell out of that like button, and turn on my post notification for my next video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Peace.
Oh,
That was ugly.